Are you ready to elevate your home's interior and create a space that's both stylish and inviting? The way we choose to decorate our homes reflects our personal tastes and lifestyles, and it can significantly impact our mood and well-being. Whether you love the sleek lines and uncluttered spaces of modern minimalism, the timeless beauty of classic elegance, or the warm and approachable feel of cozy comfort, there is a plethora of options available to help you achieve the perfect ambience. Modern minimalism emphasizes simplicity and functionality, utilizing a neutral color palette combined with intentional design elements. To achieve this look, consider including furniture with clean lines, ample natural light, and a sparing use of decorative items that serve a purpose. Incorporating plants can also bring life and a touch of nature into the minimalist decor. On the other hand, if classic elegance speaks to you, think about incorporating rich textures, luxurious fabrics, and ornate details. This might include antique furniture pieces, elegant chandeliers, or classic artwork that adds sophistication and charm to your spaces. Soft color schemes and layered lighting can also help to create an inviting atmosphere that feels both timeless and welcoming. If it's cozy comfort you seek, focus on creating a warm and inviting environment that feels like a retreat from the outside world. Use plush textiles such as soft throws and cushions, along with warm color palettes and intimate lighting. Personal touches, like family photos and beloved books, can also contribute to a sense of comfort and homeliness. Moreover, mixing and matching elements from these different styles can result in a unique and personalized home decor that tells your story. Let's dive into the best ways to refresh your home with elegance and charm, whether it's by changing a few accessories, repainting walls, or completely transforming the layout to create a space that truly reflects who you are. Embrace the journey of home decor, and you will find joy in the transformation process. Every stylish home begins with a statement piece, something that catches the eye and sets the tone for the entire space. This could be a bold artwork, a unique light fixture, or a luxurious accent chair that commands attention and elevates the ambience of the room. A well-chosen focal point, such as a striking painting with vibrant colors or a meticulously crafted sculpture, instantly enhances the character of a room, making it feel curated and intentional. In addition to visual appeal, a statement piece can also reflect the personality of the homeowner, showcasing their taste and style preferences. For instance, a vintage chandelier may introduce an element of elegance and nostalgia, while a contemporary abstract piece can convey a modern, upbeat vibe. The key is to select an item that resonates with the overall decor while still standing out as a feature in its own right. Moreover, position plays a crucial role in how effectively a statement piece impacts the room. Placing it at eye level ensures that it grabs attention immediately, while strategic lighting can further highlight its significance, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Consider the surrounding furniture and accessories as well. They should complement rather than compete with the focal point. Coordinate colors, materials, and proportions for a cohesive look that enhances the overall design. Ultimately, the inclusion of a statement piece not only enriches the aesthetic quality of a space but also serves as a conversation starter, inviting guests to engage and appreciate the thoughtful curation of the home. It sets the stage for the style narrative of the house, establishing a sense of identity and warmth that resonates throughout the environment. Play with textures and layers. Texture plays a crucial role in enhancing the warmth and character of your living spaces. By thoughtfully mixing an array of materials, you can create a rich tapestry of tactile experiences that invite both visual interest and comfort. To begin, consider integrating soft velvet, which adds a plush and luxurious feel to any area. This fabric can be used for throw pillows or upholstered furniture, creating a focal point that draws the eye. Pairing velvet with natural wood elements introduces an organic touch, grounding the aesthetic and adding a sense of stability to your decor. The grain and warmth of wood can contrast beautifully with smoother materials, enriching the overall experience of the room. Woven rattan is another material that offers both texture and a hint of natural charm. It brings a lightness to the arrangement, making it an excellent choice for furniture pieces like chairs or accent tables. Rattan's intricate weaving can add visual depth and an artisanal quality, making your space feel both curated and inviting. Lighting is a game changer in home decor and has the incredible ability to transform a space from ordinary to extraordinary. By swapping out basic fixtures for more elegant options, such as striking chandeliers that serve as a focal point in the room, or sleek pendant lights that add a touch of modern sophistication, one can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of their home. Additionally, sculptural floor lamps can introduce an artistic element, serving both practical and aesthetic purposes. The impact of lighting on the overall ambience of a space cannot be overstated. Smart lighting solutions, such as dimmable LED lights, allow for adjustable brightness, enabling homeowners to set the perfect mood for any occasion, whether it be a lively gathering with friends or a quiet, cozy evening at home. Moreover, the use of warm-toned bulbs can create a comforting and inviting atmosphere that makes guests feel welcome. Incorporating a variety of light sources through layered lighting, using overhead lights, accent lights, and task lighting, can enhance the depth and dimension of a room. By strategically placing lights, you can draw attention to architectural features, artwork, or specific areas of the space, thus creating a more dynamic and engaging environment. Elevate your walls. Empty walls can often feel like a blank canvas, but they represent a tremendous opportunity to express your personal style and enhance the overall ambience of a room. One creative approach is to design a captivating gallery wall. This can be achieved by selecting a range of framed artwork that resonates with you, be it photographs, paintings, or mixed media. Aim for a cohesive theme or color palette to tie the pieces together, and arrange them in a way that draws the eye across the wall. Consider incorporating various frame sizes and styles for an eclectic look that still feels intentional. Another strategy to stylishly utilize wall space is to install floating shelves. These shelves can serve multiple purposes, showcasing curated decor items like books, plants, or travel souvenirs while also lending a modern touch to your space. Be thoughtful about the items you choose to display. Layering different heights and textures can create visual interest. Additionally, consider placing some shelves at eye level to make them a focal point in the room. Choose a cohesive color palette. A well-thought-out color scheme ties everything together, creating a unified and inviting atmosphere in your home. To achieve this, consider selecting a palette that resonates with your personal style while also reflecting the mood you wish to create in each space. Neutral tones, such as whites, beiges, and grays, are an excellent foundation for any design. They provide a timeless elegance and versatility that allows you to easily incorporate different design elements and accessories. These shades can create a serene backdrop that promotes relaxation and comfort, making them ideal for areas like bedrooms and living rooms. Incorporating bold pops of color, such as deep blues, emerald greens, or terracotta, can invigorate your space and showcase your personality. These vibrant colors can serve as accent elements, drawing attention to specific areas or features of your home. For instance, a statement wall in a rich hue or colorful cushions and artwork can bring energy and life into a room. Declutter and organize beautifully. Creating a stylish home goes beyond simply adding decor pieces. It's an art that combines aesthetics with thoughtful organization. To achieve this, consider investing in elegant storage solutions that not only serve a practical purpose but also contribute to the overall beauty of your space. Woven baskets can be a game changer. They add texture and warmth while helping to hide away items that could otherwise create chaos. Use them for holding blankets in the living room or toys in a child's bedroom, effectively combining utility with style. Decorative trays are another versatile option. They can organize smaller items like keys, coins, or remote controls while serving as a stylish statement piece on your coffee table or entryway console. Choose trays that complement your decor, whether that means selecting materials like metal, wood, or ceramic. With the right decor choices, you can truly transform your home into a stylish and sophisticated retreat that reflects your personal taste and enhances your living experience. From selecting the perfect color palette to incorporating unique decor pieces, there are countless ways to achieve a look that feels both inviting and elevated. Consider experimenting with various textures, such as plush pillows, soft throws, and warm rugs, to create a cozy atmosphere that encourages relaxation and comfort. Don't be afraid to mix and match different patterns and styles. This can add depth and interest to your spaces.